as a surprise.
And it was a book called You Make Me Happy. And I thought, oh, it'd be a good idea if I wrote a song for the wedding with my ukulele, which I don't know how to play. So that's what I did. So I stole the words from a children's book. And I practiced. I didn't really, because we work both from home, and you can't practice when everyone's home all the time. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
You make me happy, you make me sing. You put a bounce in my step like bunnies in spring. The things that you do and the things that you say fill me with sunshine, brighten my day. Will you marry me, my chickadee? Oops,
I forgot D minor.
spend the rest of your days with me. You love to be cheeky, you know that you do, but I can't seem to stay grumpy with you. You show me the fun, whatever we find. We know we look silly, but hey, we don't mind. Will you marry me, my chickadee? Spend the rest of your days with me. When should we do it? What do you say? Oh, why don't we tie the knot today? When the going gets tough and life makes me frown, seems like the sun going down. You make me happy, you make me soulful and strong, and right by your side is where I belong. Hey, you marry me, my chickadee, you spend the rest of your days with me. I married you, my chickaboo, my chickaboo. I'll spend the rest of my days with Ari and you.
Fill out for Kate.